How to enable Instagram dark mode. So Instagram has this new update right now. If you go here to your Instagram application and go to your profile icon here and tap on the three dash lines or the menu here and tap on settings, you won't be able to see the dark mode options even if you actually search it here. Now, for iPhones, what you can do is to actually set your phone into dark mode. So let's say here, as you can see, it's already set on white, right? So since we want to set it on dark mode, what you have to do is to just tap here your brightness here, long press that, and tap on dark mode. Set it to dark mode. Now, if you go back here to your Instagram, it's already set to dark mode. Now, the other way that you can do, what you can do is to go here to your settings and go to appearance. Here, display, and tap under appearance, set it to dark mode here. Now, once you go back to your Instagram application, it is also set on dark mode. And basically, that is how you enable Instagram dark mode. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.